Hello everyone, I am going to discuss about the vector space model and mining of frequent item sets using the a priori algorithm. So, I am Ashika from Janssen Institute of Technology. First we need to know about the a priori algorithm. It uses a frequent item sets to generate association rules and it is designed to work on the database that contain transactions. With the help of these association rule, it determines how strongly or how weakly two objects are connected. This algorithm uses a breadth first search, that's BFS, and hash tree to calculate those item set associations efficiently. So then the as we as I tell already, frequent item sets. So it's those items whose support is greater than the threshold value or the user specified minimum support. Suppose consider there are two transactions like A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and B equal to 2 3 7. In these two transactions, 2 and 3 are the frequent item sets because the both 2 and 3 those numbers are only repeated, get iterated in those two transactions. So here is example. Suppose consider these following data set that has a various transactions, and from this data set we need to find the frequent item sets and generate the association. Minimum support, like this is a given table, so consider the minimum support as 2 and minimum confidence as 50 percentage. So here, if A and B are the frequent item sets together, then individually A and B should also be the frequent item set. So then, the advantages of a priori algorithm. This is easy to understand the algorithm. The join and prune steps of the algorithm can be easily implemented on the large data sets. Then several algorithms are usually available to solve a problem with some more complex than others. But the priori algorithm is an effective algorithm, especially if they are relatively easy to implement the complex problems. Then, for example, in searching for employee records that compromise several fields, the key in one application could be employee ID to enable search based on the employee ID or employee name. For search based on the names of the employees, key index search is an ideal that cannot be met in most situations because of heavy memory requirements. In this kind of approach, we can use this a priori algorithm to get an exact values or answers. So then the search is then localized to the items that are hashed to that index. Open addressing works if it is possible to estimate in advance the number of elements to be put in the hash table. So the coming to the point, the vector space model is nothing but the VSM. So the design of the IR systems involves two phases: an offline phase in which all the documents are passed to obtain index terms which are subsequently used to represent the documents in the collection, and an online phase in which some information need is met, for example by retrieving documents from the collection when a user provides a query. Then there are some more disadvantages of a priori algorithm which is mentioned in the slide. That's nothing but this works slow compared to other algorithms. The overall performance can be reduced as it scans the database for multiple times. The time complexity and space complexity of the priori algorithm is termed as O 2 power d, which is very high. Here d represents a horizontal width present in the database. So that's all for today, but I want to share another point, like there are more proposed solutions for this vector space model, but one is important is the mining frequent item sets using the appropriate algorithm. Here the two common interesting rules measures or support and confidence, which respectively estimate the usefulness and certainty of the discovered rules. To illustrate meaning of these metrics, we consider a common application of association rule mining, namely a market basket analysis. The market basket analysis, it's used to analyze the customer buying habits by finding the associations between the different items that customers place in their shopping baskets. By considering the universe as compromising the set of items available in a store and using a boolean variable to indicate the presence or absence of an item, each shopping basket can be represented using a boolean vector of values assigned to these variables. um, okay, then that's all for today. Thank you.